Today I'll walk you through step by step how to build a fully functional habit tracker inside Obsidian, from an empty vault to a complete system that logs your daily habits, surfaces weekly trends, and keeps you accountable over the long term. Obsidian is a powerful offline-first note-taking app that stores everything as plain markdown files on your device, which makes it an ideal home for a habit tracker because your data stays private, portable, and completely under your control. If this kind of deep dive tutorial is useful to you, please hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. And let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open Obsidian and make sure you have a vault ready to work in. A vault is simply a folder on your computer that Obsidian treats as its workspace. If you already have one set up for general notes, you can use that. The habit tracker will live neatly inside it without disturbing anything else. Once you're inside your vault, create a new folder and name it Habit Tracker. You do this by right-clicking in the File Explorer panel on the left and selecting New Folder. Keeping your habit tracking files in a dedicated folder is an important discipline. It prevents the system from becoming tangled with your other notes and makes everything much easier to maintain as the folder grows over time. Inside that habit tracker folder, create your first note and call it Habit Dashboard. This note becomes the command center of your entire system, a single place you can open each day to get oriented. Navigate to your current log and review your progress at a glance. Think of it as the front door to your habit practice. You can leave it mostly empty for now. You'll come back and populate it later once the other pieces are in place. Before you create a single tracking note, take a moment to decide which habits you actually want to monitor. Be honest and be selective. Most people find that starting with 4 to 6 habits is the sweet spot. Enough to build meaningful momentum, not so many that the daily check-in becomes a chore. Strong starter habits include things like exercise, reading for 20 minutes, journaling, meditation, drinking enough water, or any other recurring behavior you're trying to ingrain. Write your chosen habits somewhere in the habit dashboard note as a reference list. Now create a note for your daily habit tracking. This will be the template you use every single day, so the structure matters. Inside this note, add a checkbox for each of your habits using Obsidian's Markdown checkbox syntax. A hyphen, a space, and a pair of square brackets. So you might have entries for exercise, read 20 minutes, journal, and drink water goal. When you click one of those checkboxes in Obsidian's preview mode, it toggles to a filled checkmark, giving you that satisfying confirmation that the habit is done. Keep the list clean and uncluttered. The fewer decisions you have to make at check-in time, the more likely you are to actually do it. To keep all your daily logs organized, create a second folder inside Habit Tracker and call it Daily Notes. Every time you sit down to log your habits, ideally at the same time each day, morning or evening, you'll duplicate your template note, name it with that day's date in a consistent format like June 19th, 2026, and drop it into this folder. Consistency in naming is important because it lets Obsidian's search and linking features work reliably as your archive grows. As you go through each day, check off the habits you complete. Don't wait until the end of the day if you can help it. Checking off a habit right after you finish it is much more accurate and gives you a small burst of positive reinforcement in the moment. Below your checkboxes, leave a small section for notes and reflections. Even a single sentence, why you skipped the gym, what you read, how the meditation felt, transforms your tracker from a binary log into a genuine journal of your growth. These small observations become surprisingly valuable when you look back weeks later. At the end of each week, create a weekly review note. Name it something like Week Review June 19th, 2026, and place it in a weekly reviews folder inside Habit Tracker. In this note, count up how many days you hit each habit and write a short, honest summary. Which habits landed consistently? Which ones slipped? What got in the way? The weekly review is where patterns begin to emerge that a single day's log could never reveal. Review those patterns seriously. If you completed one habit 5 out of 7 days but another only twice, that gap is telling you something important. Perhaps the second habit is too vague, too time-consuming, or poorly positioned in your daily routine. This is the moment to adjust. You can make a habit easier by reducing the target, 10 minutes of reading instead of 30, or harder if it has become too comfortable. Building a habit tracker without ever adjusting your goals is like following a training plan without ever checking your progress times. Now link everything together. In each daily note, add a link back to the habit dashboard. In each weekly review, link to the individual daily notes that week. In Obsidian, you create links by typing 2 opening square brackets, typing the note name, and closing with 2 brackets. This web of connections is what makes Obsidian genuinely powerful. You can navigate your entire habit history as a connected graph, not just a pile of files. Finally, go back to your habit dashboard and add links to your most recent daily note and your most recent weekly review. Over time, this dashboard becomes a living index, a 2-second portal into your entire system. You've now built a complete habit tracking system inside Obsidian, one that logs daily completions, stores reflections, surfaces weekly trends, and gives you the linked structure to actually learn from your own data. The best next step is simply to use it every day for 2 full weeks without changing anything. Then let your first real review inform how you refine it. Save this video so you can revisit any step when you need a refresher, and I'll see you in the next one.